If you ever had many sounds before in your computer, you'll know that previewing each of them will be a hassle. Take a look, for example, at this folder. I have many sounds downloaded here from Mixkit, and let's say you wanted to open a sound and preview each of them one by one. As you can see, it takes a little bit of time to load up the sound and actually play it. And if you want to play the next sound, you have to exit out and then play the next one and exit out and keep playing. And even if you use the media player's play queue feature, if you go to the home and then play queue, you can add a folder which contains all your sounds. You can select the folder, and this will show you all the sounds you can play in one place. But this can still be a little slow. If you notice, if I click play, it still takes a little bit of time to load the sound after before playing it, which can easily disrupt your pace and productivity. This is where Resonic Player Beta by LaCube Audio comes in. You just have to first download the software, which I explained in a previous video I made, link in the description. After you have it, just open the program, and it's gonna take a second to load in. And now, as you can see, there's many stuff on the screen, but the only things you're going to be using are these three panels right here, these three windows. Over here on the left side, you're gonna see your file explorer, and over here, if you wanna go to the sound folder that you have, just scroll down and find where you stored your sounds. For example, mine is stored in desktop/sounds, and here it shows all the sounds that appear in that folder, and it supports many sound formats such as WAV, MP3, and more. And if you click on each of them, such as the first one, it plays it instantly without any pauses and loading up the sound, which is very convenient and allows you to work without a pace disruption. If you want to play from a specific point, you can click on a point you want to play. And if you notice that your sounds are playing one after the other, let's say I finish the sound and wait for it to finish. As you can see, the sounds are playing automatically after each sound is finishing. Just click on this red vertical rectangle right here, and it will say stop after current file. Just click on it so it's highlighted in blue. And now if you click on a sound, short one let's say, it's gonna just stop on that sound and it's not gonna play the next one. And if you want to play it again, you can click enter, or you can double click it. And you can also adjust the volume of the sounds you're hearing. For example, mine is at 100% right now. You can change it to be 75 or 50%. I think 75 is the default, but I'm gonna keep it at 100%. Over here, you can click this to mute it, and this to get it back. If you want to dim the sound that you're hearing and not make it sound as loud as you're hearing it right now, just go over here to these set of buttons and then click on this arrow pointing downwards icon, and it will just dim the volume for you. And then you can click it again to disable it. You can also dim the volume using your spacebar key. Let's say I want to dim the volume right now. Just hold the spacebar and let go, and it's not gonna undim it if you let go, so you have to just click back here. If you want to change the view of the sound, how the sound is displayed, go over here to the graph, and then click on the little arrow that you see on the bottom corner, and then you have a bunch of waves you can view the sound that you're playing. For example, the default is waveform. You can go logarithmic analyzer, musical spectrum, and there's way more, but I'm gonna stick to waveform. If you find that the UI or the text in the Resonic Player Beta program is a little too small and hard to see, go over to the hamburger menu, head on to browser, and then font size, you can set it to whatever you want. Normal is the default. Let's say I want XX large. And this will change the font size for just the browser. If you want to change the font size for the sound previewer, then you go to the hamburger menu again, file list, and then font size, and then change it to whatever you like. And now the text is large and easier to see. That was a basic overview of Resonic Player Beta and how it helps you preview sounds at 2 times the speed that Media Player can, because it plays the sounds instantly without any load up times. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.